Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am making a video about opening an account with MFU, that is MF Utilities, for creation of portfolio in mutual funds. First we have to open mfuindia.com website, and there is this section of open account online. After clicking on this, we get this page where there is option of completely electronic eCAN. After clicking on that option, we get this page. In this page we can search for existing CAN numbers. We have to enter our mobile number or email ID which is associated with our portfolio, and then click on lookup. So there is no record with this number. In that case we have to go for new form. In this new form we get this section where we can go for complete electronic process. We have to select holding nature, single, joint or anyone, or survivor. Then investor category has to be selected, tax status has to be selected. This is resident Indian for me, and holders I will select for single holder. So for sole primary holder we have to fill in details of name, date of birth, PAN number, mobile number, email ID. Mobile number and email ID should be those which are associated with our portfolio. Then there are additional details like gross income, net worth. We have to fill in this detail. After filling this detail, go to bank details. We have to fill all these details and nominee details. So these, after filling these details, we have to submit for eCAN. We have to agree to the eCAN and submit for eCAN. So once all details are filled and we submit for eCAN, we get a mail on our email ID for completion of eCAN process. And for completion of eCAN process, we can see there are section of FAQs on eCAN where we can get details, what are the documents required and all those things. Only few things are required, which are PAN card, self-attested copy, and a cancelled check. Size of document should be less than 500 KB. Once we fill all this information and submit for eCAN, we get a mail for link to upload the documents. As I have already done this process and I have a CAN number, I cannot show you the details of that, but it is easy process. And sometimes what happens is we have already registered, like I have already registered but I did not know what is my CAN number. So I just went to my email ID and searched for MFU. I went to my mail and I searched for MFU. And here I got all the details of mails from MFU. Here I had a mail regarding opening of common account number. Once documents are submitted, they send a mail of CAN number generation, and we can get that CAN number in our mail. After that, we have to go for MFU login creation. So this is online user ID creation. Here we can enter our CAN number, PAN number, date of birth and submit. After clicking on submit, this page opens. Here we have to fill the information: CAN number, date of birth, PAN number. Username comes automatically. We have to create a user ID. So we can enter whatever user ID we want to create for the portfolio. Then there is login password which we have to set. Create this very carefully. Then there is section of hint questions. We have to fill answers for them, so that in case we forget the login password, we can regenerate login password. We get OTP. There is option of mail, SMS or both. And after OTP is generated, accept the terms and conditions, we can create account. This is complete process of opening account on MF Utility Online. Then there is an app, MF Go app. It can be used for further transactions. Thank you for your patience. If you like the video, please subscribe to this channel. I'll keep updating videos related to stock market and technical analysis. Thank you.